In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and review bills from Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect during the download, and how to quickly confirm that your exported data looks right. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you're exporting a lot of bills. Once you're in, head to the Purchases area. You'll find it on the main navigation menu. This section holds everything related to what your business buys, including bills, so it's the best place to start. Next, select Bills. This narrows the view to your supplier invoices, open, paid, overdue, or awaiting approval, depending on what's currently in your account. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the Bills screen ensures you export the right information. Look for the three-dot menu, often located near the top right of the Bills page. This menu gathers extra actions you can take on the current screen. Click it to reveal more options related to bills. Choose Export Bills. When you do, Xero will begin preparing a file of your bill data. You don't need to change anything else here. Just let Xero do the processing. The export size and your internet speed will influence how long this takes. Wait for the export to process. You may see a brief indicator while Xero compiles the information. If you have many records, give it a moment. Avoid clicking away until the file download begins. When the download completes, open the bills file from your browser's Downloads list or your computer's Downloads folder. The file is typically a spreadsheet format, such as CSV, which opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or similar tools. If your system asks which app to use, choose your preferred spreadsheet program. Now, review your exported bill data. Check that supplier names, bill numbers, dates, due dates, totals, taxes, and statuses appear as expected. Confirm the date range and number of rows look right for what you intended to export. A quick scan for unusual amounts, missing suppliers, or duplicate entries can catch issues early. If you need to analyze further, simple filters and sorting in your spreadsheet can help you spot inconsistencies or compare subtotals. Remember to store the file securely, especially if it includes sensitive financial details. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Purchases, selected Bills, used the three-dot menu to export, waited for processing, opened the file, and reviewed your data. You're all set to use this export for reporting, reconciliation, or sharing with your accountant.